Hey friends, dropping in to share with you an organizational video today. I am participating in a hop all about organizing your stash this month. It is about our sequins. Currently my sequins are in this cute little organizer. I don't have a lot of sequins, enamel dots, that sort of thing, embellishments. But I'm finding that having them in this little container is not practical. It's cheap, it's from the Dollarama, it falls apart all the time. And I think I'm ready to move on. These right now, truth be told, I have two of these, are stuffed in a closet behind me. We have our house listed, we are trying to sell, and most of my stuff is hidden, just for the purposes of showing the house and trying to sell. So they are not out in the open, and the reason why I don't use them very often, because I don't use them very often, is because they are not out in the open. So I thought I would transfer what's in here into my accessory roll-up from Close to My Heart. I have two of these. They're brand spanking new. I've never used them, never taken them out of the packaging, and I thought maybe it is about time I did that. I'm hoping that these will work. Right now I'm kind of thinking that it may not work based on size, but if I trim them down and trim the packaging inside the enamel dots, say like this, maybe it will work. I'll have to play around with it and see. But this is where I'm gonna start. Obviously, I'm pretty sure Close to My Heart items are going to fit in here, but things that are not close to my heart, I'm gonna have to figure out an alternative. I would like to put them all in here though, and then maybe these will go somewhere in my little utility cart that I have sitting beside my desk. It's like right here to my left. So I invite you to follow along as I play around with this and see what we come up with. All right, so future Allison is able to confirm that everything does fit inside this one pocket. I have a mix of enamel dots, sequins, some wood veneer, and some cork stickers that come from Close to My Heart, all in this little pocket. I arranged them so that the packs of solid enamel dots go in rainbow order, but then I have a couple of pockets that are dedicated to mixes of enamel dots, because quite honestly, I have more packages of mixed colors of enamel dots than I do solids. So it just made more sense to combine them all and put them together. I don't really have very much else to share with you. This video was really simple and straightforward, so I'm just going to leave it here, let you enjoy the video, and I will catch you again at the very end. So it is full, and I thought I would put it here with my Spectrum Noir markers for now in my cart. So it has a home, it is out in the open, and maybe I will think of it a little more frequently. But I hope you found some inspiration in this video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up and a like. Be sure you check out all the other ladies that are participating in the hop today as well. There will be lots of inspiration to go around. Have a great day, friends, and I will see you again soon.